Okay, so we have intonation. Intonation in questions up or down. Okay, objectives.
We will be able to ask personal information, question with correct intonation in the present.
In the present, because you know the present simple, right? Ya todos saben el presente simple, pero a veces no sabemos cómo hablar. It sounds like a robot. That's weird, okay? So, I call this class Master Your English Intonation in Natural Speech, okay? Let's focus on pronunciation.
In English, there are 3 different ways we use intonation when asking questions in English.
Yes, there are 3 ways, okay? So now, listen carefully, okay? Quiero que se enfoquen en la pregunta, are you okay? Are you okay? Okay?
To call those contacts and say, are you okay? To call those contacts and say, are you okay?
Heart, open your mind and just ask, are you okay? Heart, open your mind and just ask, are you okay?
To call those contacts and say, are you okay? To call those contacts and say, are you okay?
Heart, open your mind and just ask, are you okay? Heart, open your mind and just ask, are you okay?
Okay, the stress, guys, the stress is at the beginning or at the end? At the beginning or at the end?
At the end?
At the end, pretty good. Al final. Dice, are you okay? Are you okay? Next.
Caminando en la ciudad, algo de intenciones extra. No sé qué está bien o mal. Creo que olvidé mencionar que me pregunto, algo confuso, ¿cómo es que luces tan genial? Como todo está tan claro, si veo que pronto te irás. Y ahora estás de mi lado, quiero contarte algo. Mi secreto confesaré, porque no sabes cuánto necesito que te quedes hoy conmigo. Eso sientes tú. Me tienes tan hipnotizado y sé que tú también se ven tus pupilas. Yo sé que tú me entiendes. Sol, mar y playa cruzando miradas.
At the end. So questions where the answer is yes or no. Para las preguntas donde se responde con sí o con no, our voices goes up at the end of the question. Okay? Nuestra voz se eleva al finalizar la pregunta. For example,
Are you okay?
are you okay? Again, please. Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Nice intonation. So now, let's listen again carefully, okay? Escuchemos de nuevo, pero ahora otra pregunta. A ver, let's go.
Spencer, I have some chocolate. Do you like chocolate? Or Spencer, I have some chocolate. Do you like chocolate? Or do you like chocolate? Okay, are we ready to luau, boys and girls? Adley, do you like chocolate? Okay,
Are you married?
I'm not, sir.
No. Are you married?
I'm not, sir.
No.
¿Se han dado cuenta cómo le dice, are you married? No dice, are you married? No. Are you married? Are you married? Le pregunta, ¿te gusta el chocolate? Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate? No dice, do you like chocolate? No. Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate? Ok. Vamos a poner el estrés al final. Do you like chocolate? So, read the questions using rising intonation. Okay. So, voy a leer yo la primera y luego voy a llamar a alguno. Okay. So, is this his email address? Is this his email address? Next.
Are they from Canada?
Oh, holy cow, that's great. Are they from Canada? Are they from Canada? But the first one, Sarah, you, the first one.
Is this his email address?
No, one more time. Is this his email address?
Is this his email address?
Nice. Next.
Are you okay?
Perfect.
Do you have a car?
Do you have a car? Pretty good.
Do you play soccer?
Do you play soccer? Do you play soccer? Ok, ahora escuchen las preguntas que tienen WS question. ¿Cuáles son, guys? Do you know? What?
Not where,
Where?
Where?
When?
When? Who?
When?
Okay,
who,
all the
which.
questions with WS words. Okay, so let's
Which?
begin. Which? That's the other one. Listen.
What do you do for a living? Where do you live? Or if you're in college, what do you major? What do you do for a living? Where do you live? Or if you're in college, what do you major?
And say, who are you? Where do you live? How old are you? Why are you so fine? How do you like your eggs cooked in the morning? And say, who are you? Where do you live? How old are you? Why are you so fine? How do you like your eggs cooked in the morning?
Okay, in questions with WS question, the stress is
What do you do?
at the beginning or at the end? Huh?
At the beginning?
You got it. You rock. At the beginning, of course. Okay, so if you ask question with multiple answers, like WS questions, okay, so the first part of the question becomes the most important part. And the end of the sentence could be exactly the same. Por ejemplo,
Study.
do you study? Do you study? Okay, Jacqueline, ¿qué pasaría si le agrego un why?
Why do you study?
Great, Jack. Oh my God, where are you from? Are you from LA, maybe? So, why do you study? Why? Okay, LA, what does that mean? LA stands for? ¿Qué significa LA? Los
Angeles.
Yes, Los Angeles. Los Angeles. Okay, LA. So we say, why do you study? Okay. Yeah. Next. Listen again.
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
Hello. And what are you studying at the moment?
I'm studying event management.
Hello. And what are you studying at the moment?
I'm studying event management.
Okay, so that's all for now here. So we're gonna practice, okay?
How do you
Yeah,
study?
great. Okay, siempre vamos a hacer el T-flap. How do you? Okay? This is called reduction. Next,
Where are you from?
that is the correct intonation. Where are you from? Okay, no es where are you from? No es where are you from? Where are you from?
Why do you cry?
Amazing. And the third intonation is when there is a choice. La última ya, okay? Cuando tenemos opciones. Look at the question here. Les voy a dejar aquí el truquito. Look at this. Sube. Are you going left or right? Baja mi entonación. Are you going left or right? Are you going left or right? Look at the other one. Apple, orange. Would you like apple, orange, or pineapple? Como que me desinflo, mira. Would you like apple, orange, pineapple? Okay.
Pineapple pen, apple pen, pineapple pen. Pen, pineapple, apple pen.
Es lo mismo que aflojar un botón, muy distanciado nuestro corazón quieto. Y ya no sé dónde quedó mi corazón. Vengo a decirte que ya la cicatriz seguiré.